Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. We've got a nice Peugeot 3008 Allure diesel here, low mileage, just 82,000, 2012 on a 62 plate. Now the Allure is a high spec, so it has a heads-up display, it has a pan roof, it's got working air conditioning, Bluetooth. It is a nice spec car. Good on fuel these. Loads of room in the back, like a split level boot. If you were to look at the pictures, you'll see how the boot opens. All the seats fold down if you wanted it to, so to make it into like a van sort of style. So the pan roof has a shutter, electric shutter that closes that off if you didn't want to see what was going on above. A dual zone climate, cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, say heads up display. It is a nice spec. It's good service history with it as well. Recently had quite a lot of money spent on it, including a cambelt and a water pump. It's just been MOT buyers. We put a couple of tyres on it, and it will come again with a service. Anything else that might need doing to it done, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. There's more pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a ring 07 868 722 133.